Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive and looking at our VW Transporter Caravelle. This one is executive spec. It was a personal import quite a few years ago now. The vehicle has been known to us as a company for 5-6 years, I suppose. So we know a lot about this car. We've serviced it for the customer, who's also a personal friend of the business owner. The car is in exceptional condition for one of this mileage. Oh, excuse my hand shaking around. And I'll hopefully be able to show you from this footage just how clean and tidy it is. In fact, I'll challenge you to find some at 40,000 miles anywhere near as clean as this. So let me walk you around and hopefully you'll get the right impression from this video. So obviously we have the sensors in the front. The better wheels. Obviously privacy glass on the rear. And then with your power mirrors as well. But inside, as you can see, there's no tears or marks. All the condition of the seats are still fantastic. With the captain's chair, so you get the fold down armrest here, and then you can adjust the height by this little spinny wheel here, and that'll adjust the height when it's stationary, when it's flat. Then the driver's seat as well, got the same. Then going round, you'll see that the dash, no scratches, no marks, no nothing. All the flooring, all in superb condition. Like I say, this one has had a very, very good home. And then how you open up on the rear, on the side, you just pull that, and then the door does it itself. And then again, in the back, all the armchair seats that can be taken out, swiveled around. You have different adjustments here, so you can actually then spin the seat round. And then in the rear as well. I hope the camera's doing it justice, because this, you'll see, very, very clean indeed. Then just to shut, you can do it with the handle on the outside. And then obviously if you're sitting on the inside, there's a handle here, and you just do that, and then electronically it does it for you. And again, all the wheels, tyres, etc., all in great condition. I'll try and get down the side so you can just see. You have no problems around the wheel arches, there's no issues here, there's no silly scratches or marks. And then as you come around the back, protective strip on the back bumper, the hair, and then with the parking sensors below. And then to get in these, oh, got a little water, just pull that and in. And then they do a little parcel shelf here. I mean, does it ever get used? I doubt it, but and then as you can see again, the carpet, etc., all the flooring, all the backs of the seats, great. Even the chrome on here. All great condition. And again, if I shine down this side, you can see down it, see there's no problems whatsoever. And then again, to open the door, all we do, just give it a little pull, and then away it goes. To show it wasn't a fluke from the other side, you can just see, again, how good all these seats are, and how good all the flooring is. Had an exceptional, well, fair play to the family that owned it, I say. They've looked after it. All the door cards, no problems here. There's no markings or anything at all. And then up here, electric windows for the front, central lock in here, and then obviously, as I've said, the electric mirrors are all powered here and heated. And again, the driver's seat, all in fantastic condition, really. And you can see there's a couple of little bits of cracks in the leather, but that's it. It's not broken through, there's no, just, yeah, it's had a very, very good life. So the way they work inside, we have a multifunction steering wheel with volume control and so on, and for your computer and the radio. And then you've got here, you've got obviously wipers. This side you've got indicators, main beam, and then also on the end there you've got cruise control on the end. And over here all your heat controls are lit up here, and then your navigation and radio are all here. So literally all your central bits there. A little bit of wear on the doors as you'd expect for the car with a family, the rear side door. So basically this operates the slide door, so if you push these, then that will then operate the rear door and open it, and then you just simply push it again and that will shut it. As you can see, there's no silly marks anywhere on this vehicle. It is absolutely and truly fantastic condition, and you wouldn't, like I said earlier, you certainly would not put it past to being a significantly lower mileage. There's not even any signs of deterioration or anything. No scuffs on the bumpers, nothing. So there you have it. There is our Transporter. But all I'd say is be quick. Thanks for looking.